look what, look. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, it's Original Curly J, and today we have a little vloggy vlog. Me and my best friends are having a girls' day, a beach day, and I'm deciding to take y'all with me and take this little vlogging thing for a test run. Now, but for real though, we're gonna get straight into this. I packed a bag. I packed a little baggy bag. A little bag. Just got a towel. Let me show y'all the fit, actually. Let me show y'all the fit. Okay, so here's the fit. I got on a blue bathing suit top, a little sheer number from my Shein haul. Go watch that. And I got some black shorts and black bottoms. And I brought an extra shirt because your girl is not gonna be stuck after we're done wearing this. So I packed the extra shirt. I got sunglasses. I got some smell goods, a lip balm, and of course my wallet. And of course a towel and my tripod here. So we're about to go. My friend is already here. So let's get into this. Oh, my fault. This is Aaliyah. And that's Miracle. And that's Aaliyah. And that's Miracle. And yeah, we're gonna go to copyright. Copyright. And we're gonna go to
copyright to these music.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Publix and then Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna take y'all with us, and then we're gonna go to the beach finally. But I'm gonna have to get used to it.
You gotta hear what they say. All right, y'all, we back with another
All right. Now we're in the chip aisle.
Almost something.
Yeah. We're going to go grab the what are we gonna grab? Oh, juice. Look at what Publix has. Oh my goodness, that looks good.
They got mango lemonade. She's gotta get picked.
What? You do what? This girl just says she eats brownies with a side of pickles. Please help. Oh, this is not the aisle for it, I guess. We're looking for ice. We finally found it. Finally. Yeah! Now we leave. All right, bag secured. Now we're headed to Dollar Tree.
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
We are here. Is
I'm gonna get 3 color wanders. I don't know. Yellow. Or whatever it is. It's yellow right here. Yellow.
and I'm just gonna get red too.
Alright, we're good.
Where's the napkins? So basically, we still haven't made our way to the beach. Miracle forgot our torch. So now, we gotta stop at another store. And Leah had to get gas. So yeah.
Make sure all are enjoying successfully.
Now on to the beach. Finally. Finally. So basically, we're here. However, the beach is a rinky-dink, a little rinky-dink, and it's kind of fun. So we're just gonna eat in the back of the car, and it'll still be nice. It'll, you know. Oh, jeez, it'll still be nice, you know. Well, look, we got a little setup, you know, a little setup in the back of the car. So that'll work. That'll work. Absolutely not.
Ew.
She's dipping watermelon in ranch.
I mean, it's a good ranch, so it's like.
Oh my god. What's the difference?
I gotta get it out my mouth. That's a song, right? You just did.
Alright.
No, bro.
So here's mine. Here's Aaliyah's. And here's Miracle that you can.
Oh, okay. Now I feel that much better.
We are about to make s'mores. Hey guys, so we got home at like, well, I got home because my friend still had to drive home after dropping me off. But we got home at like 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the morning. We had a blast. It was so fun. That's why I did not film an outro that night. But as you guys see, we left off on s'mores. And then we spent hours talking while eating s'mores. And it was amazing. Like, honestly, I love hanging out with my best friends. We do not plan like stuff. We do not plan stuff like this enough. But every single time we get together, it's just a ball, and we're gonna have to start planning more things together. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this was my first vlog, so I hope you really liked it. And if you did, comment down below, because I will continue to do this. It was actually a lot of fun to record things that we were doing. It was kind of easy. It was kind of effortless, and editing them together, which I'm doing right now, is also very easy. Like, I really love vlogging. I really like that idea. I just feel like my life isn't super complicated that vlogging makes sense right now. But like, once I start like actually going out more and doing things, I'm definitely gonna vlog. I really like it. So again, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Don't forget to follow my best friends on social media. I'll put them down below. And also don't forget to follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes content. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. We are week 2 into consistency, and it's going great. It's going great. But anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.